Hi guys, back again with Travelers, with Bells, and now we have new people. What's your name? Daisy. I was in the trap in this car with two Brazilian girls. They will teach me Zumba.
Zumba? We're going to teach you Foho. Samba.
Yes, Samba. Oh, Samba.
Foho. Foho is better than Samba.
So guys, today on Friday, 28th August 2020, me and two my girls will going to Margaret Rivers. Yay! Finally! Weekend road trip! Are you ready?
Yeah!
Whoa! So excited!
We're ready for this trip.
Alright guys, we'll see you on Margaret River. Hello guys, still on the road, so sleepy. Now we already arrived at Bunbury. Tired? What about you?
No, I'm okay.
I'm sleepy. I'm sleepy. Oh, we nearly arrived to Margaret River, but now we are just in Bunbury. So guys, we are still on the roads. Now we arrived and it's rainy, so terrible. I can't see what's in the front. We already arrived. Sudah sampai akhirnya ke Margaret River. Sekarang mau belanja dulu ke Woolies karena kita sampai malam, jadi mau belanja untuk makanan pagi besok. Here we go, right to the room. Well guys, this is the room. Oh my god, we paid 340 for 2 nights. See? Wow. Extra pillow, extra sheet, have towels. This is another room. And the bathroom, oh my god guys. Ooh, it's really nice. For 340. We are here in Margaret River Tourist Park. Ooh. Happy holiday. That's our villa. Morning guys, this is second days in Margaret River. Actually ya, because we come late. Kemarin datangnya udah malam, sekitar jam 7. Dan today, hari ini hari pertama, we will go to first stop is Margaret River Market. Hi, morning guys. Today at AM we already arrived at Margaret River Farmer Market. This market only open on Saturday from 8 AM. Let's have a look.
And I drop some off tomorrow. Well, maybe this afternoon.
Well guys, there's a lot of food and fresh fruits as well, or juice, pancake you can find in here. So here's the Margaret River Farmer Market. Okay guys, kurang lebih 5 km lagi. Nearly arrive around 5 kilometers here. We're gonna arrive at HAMELIN Bay. Looks the view. We arrived. Look at there, HAMELIN Bay. Nice. Now we already arrived at HAMELIN, and I will show you. This is the track go to the beach. HAMELIN Bay. Wow. So guys, this is HAMELIN Bay. Just try to make a picture with the blue water and blue sky. I'm so happy. Woo! And these girls take picture. Yeah. Okay guys, we're done taking picture and video in HAMELIN Bay. Worth visit, free, gratis, clean, and so beautiful view. Oh my god, I wanna stay longer, but this is really cool. See you guys on the next destination. Where we wanna go? It's secret. See ya, HAMELIN Bay. This is country town in Australia, guys. Ini loh penampakan desa-desa yang ada di Australia. We are in Lighthouse. Well, guys, this is the view close to the lighthouse. Augusta. So after this we will go to other place. Let's have a look before we're leaving Augusta and back to Margaret River. Now we're done with the lighthouse, not coming out, just see the beautiful scenery, and we are going to Winery. See ya there. Hi guys. Hey guys, now I'm arrived at Wineries in Margaret River, Voyager Estate, and we can do like wine tasting or maybe having lunch in here. And this is the view, all the wineries. Jadi teman-teman, ini adalah apa ya, perkebunan anggur, wine untuk minuman. Hey, this is good place. Ooh, so beautiful guys. Inside Voyager Estate.
Right. It's up to you guys. But it's it's a little bit. I don't know.
It's just a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the tastings are 25 minutes. So you can have 3 plates.
Voyager Estate. You should come here when you are in Margaret River. Come for lunch. Guys, lunch time now. What you gonna order? Shit, it's wet. What's this? This is the menu.
Cheeseburger hot chicken.
Hot chicks. Guys, have lunch first. See ya. So guys, back on the road. After lunch, we are going to the next winery, the VASSE FELIX.
A sala da casa
We are coming.
para uma área de vinícola, sabe?
Ooh, so beautiful.
Gente, lindo demais.
Oh my
Lindo,
god,
tô
guys, so cool.
Aí eu
Let's
falei pra
have
dona
a drink.
ela era muito bonita, ela disse pra mim.
Wow. Let's buy some. I don't know, something wrong. Let's go this way. So fancy. I love this place. Let's check the bowl. Well guys, a lot of bottle of wine here. So guys, bells, and
You can take a picture.
we'll do the wine tasting, and I'm just watching. I don't drink. Bye bye, FELIX. It's time to go home. So that's it for day 2 in Margaret River. Yeah guys, see ya. Morning! Yay! Finally, the end of our holiday. Okay guys, this morning we are going to chocolate factory in Margaret River. This is the driver Deicy and Bells. Alright guys, after 20 minutes driving from Margaret River City, we are already arrived in Margaret River Chocolate Factory. Here we go, let's buy some chocolate with me. Wow, smell chocolate. Oh my god guys, chocolate factory. a lot of chocolate here. Oh, hi. I buy some for you. For you. Guys, you can have some food and drink, and then this is so guys, done. We are shopping. Everyone have a bag with a chocolate, and we are going to other place now. See ya. Arrived at Injidu Bay. Wow, this is really good spot for surfing. So guys, this is the Injidu Bay. Best place for surfing, but it's really cold. You see like the wave so strong. Okay guys, so ini dia Injidu Bay tempatnya. Anginnya sangat kencang dan juga ombaknya juga begitu kencang, cocok untuk surfing. Well guys, let's go to another place. Hi guys, kembali lagi. This is another stop. I mean like this could be our last stop, Canal Rocks. So enjoy the view with us. Jadi di sini tuh ada jembatan. There's a gate over there. Dan sekelilingnya itu batu-batuan. There's a lot of rocks. That's why it's called Canal Rocks. Come with me, come with me. Bye. Go there. Run. Let's go, girls. So beautiful. Daisy. Yes. Wow, guys. Looks good. Hi guys, I'm now in Canal Rocks. It's a beautiful place to visit. You can take a picture for your Instagram. And here is the end of our road trip to Margaret River. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you another episode. Explore with Tria. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Bye.